Okay, folks, now when we left off, we had gotten it in the right order. We got rid of the negative, so now we know that A is going to equal 8, B is going to equal 5, and C is going to equal 1. Okay? Now, write the quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then write it with the parentheses so we don't mess up our signs. Squared minus 4 parentheses, parentheses, all over 2 parentheses. All right? Now, let's see. I'm going to extend the page a bit, give myself some room. All right? B is 5 and 5. A is 8 and 8. C is 1. So I'm going to get negative 5 plus or minus the square root 25 minus 32. What? What? All over 16. Wow. Negative 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 7 over 16. Folks, you cannot have a negative under a square root. That doesn't work. It is an imaginary number, and we will learn how to work with them. But what it means is that this one is prime. Nice. All right? Done. If you see a negative show up under a square root, stop where you are. It's prime. Okay? Or certainly check your math to make sure you didn't mess anything up. And let me do that. Let me make sure I didn't mess anything up. Okay? Should be positive 8, positive 5, negative 1. Oh, Mr. C. You see? You see? You did mess something up. You messed it up. Get rid of this. Well, we're going to see who watched the videos tomorrow. C is negative 1. Now that's going to change everything. Minus 5 plus or minus square root 25 plus 32. I don't know if it's going to change everything. We'll see. All right, all over 16. Minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 57 over 16. All right, well, here we are again. And now it's not a negative number under the radical sign, but it's a number that's not a perfect square. The square root of 57 is something like 7 point blah, 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 blah. Okay, which means that it doesn't break down evenly, and it's prime. All right, it is still prime, but for a different reason than I thought. Okay, let me make sure I didn't make any mistakes here. Okay, got it in the right order. Yeah, uh-huh. All right, looks prime to me. All right, great job, guys. Study hard. I know you're going to do great, and I will see you at the exam.